Hi Global, how are you? Today's tutorial is about on how to access admin and moderator from your Facebook page. Before we can access moderator and admin from Facebook rules, but now it's changed for profile type Facebook. So if you want to access admin and moderator, just click on three dot click. Okay, I click on three dot. After three dot, you click on settings. Okay, I click on settings. Okay, next Facebook settings. Click on Facebook settings. Then scroll down. I can see new page experience and page access. Okay? Click on page access. Now you can see people Facebook access. People with task access. I just click on add now. Then click on next. Which person do you want to provide access admin and moderator? Before must be he connect with your friend list. Okay, I just click leave. I want to access the person. Okay, yes already do. I don't click anything, just I can see allow access, allow this person also having harmful, but now it's a new system. If you want to full access, you just click on it, and if you do not want to full access, just operating, you just stop it. Okay, I want to provide full access. Okay, then give access, click on give access. Next, type your password. Okay, I click on. I already now can see there are two profiles. Before just it was only, but now I can see that's another profile already added here. Okay, but it is not finished. Next I go to another profile. Okay, I can see here a notification. Click on notification. Here there are, I can see the before profile, which profile provide me access to moderating and access for admin. I just click on it. Okay, I can review your invention, the phase your invention name expires in 30 days. If I disagree, I click decline. If you want to take admin or access operating, so I click on review invite. I click on review invite. Okay, next click on next, accept. Okay, if switch now, reload page. Okay, done. It's the way how to you access your profile with a different person, different profile. Must be follow our page and subscribe our channel. Thank you.